viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today we're going to talk about when a person is competent to transfer the property. As per Section 7 of the Act provides that the person who is allowed to sign a contract is also allowed to transfer a property, and then he will allowed to enjoy the property wholly after it takes place, legally permitted and determined for the time being in force. These are some persons can be competent to transfer. Competent to contract, sound mind. The transferor must be entitled to transferable the property. Operation of transfer, it is given under Section 8, which says Section 8 of the Transfer of Property Act provides transfer of various types of property and their legal incidents. It means that a transfer of property passes to the transferee with all the interest which the transferee is then capable of using the property in his/her future within the all legal incident. In any situation where the property is related to land or the property is rented, then the transferor and transferee should make a plan about the outcomes of the property which will be generated after the transfer takes place. After that, there will be no problem arising in the future, and if the property generates money, then the income can be calculated after the transfer takes place. I hope you are pretty much clear with the prospect of when a person is competent to transfer the property and what is operation of transfer. If not so, then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts and queries, and I'll clear up all your doubts and queries in my next video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.